In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your combination switch, also known as your multi-function switch. It sits on the left side of the steering wheel, controls your wipers, high beams, and turn signals. Let's get started. To get this switch out, we're going to have to separate the bottom from the top steering column cover. All you have to do is just pry these apart. They should unclip from each other. Now this won't come off completely, but you can push it to the side. Back here, you'll see this white connector. Press on the tab, push it out and unplug it. Make sure you don't lose that wire down there. And then on the front of the switch here, there's a little tab that if you squeeze in, you should be able to pull the switch right up and out. And there it is. Now take the new one, slide it down. It has this little slot here that needs to line up. If it doesn't, it just won't go all the way in. Make sure it clicks. There we go. And then of course, plug it back in. Make sure this connector clicks, just like that. And now you have to line up all the tabs here on the cover just so it can snap back in place. Of course, on both sides. Once it's lined up, tap it down, and that should be locked in. Make sure the switch works, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.